Friends, I have to apologize. I got a little confused about the date. Today's episode is for Thursday, December 14, 2023. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Astrology Today. I am your host, Melrose, and today is Wednesday, December 13, 2023. We have a really quiet kind of astrology day today with reason for optimism. But before we dive into it, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click for notifications so you will know every time I post fresh daily astrology and tarot content, like I do. And as always, friends, thank you for being here. The sun is in Sagittarius, accompanied there by Mars. Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter. Thursday is ruled by Jupiter, and Jupiter has been making some very positive aspects lately. It's giving big ideas, it's giving hope, it's giving opportunities. We have so much to be grateful for, and we can show it by being ready to act when the call to adventure comes in. The waxing crescent moon is in Capricorn all day. I think it's great to have these practical, ambitious, materialistic vibes as we step into our new creative cycle. With Mercury now retrograde in Capricorn, this moon feels to me like rebuilding in the background. So maybe it's an inside job, like you're building your language skills, or you've hired a personal trainer to help you build strength. Or maybe it's a quiet restructuring of your business or the way you do things in your off time. Maybe it's as simple as giving yourself some structured off time. Think of this creative cycle as a personal rebuild, reinforcing the structures that are foundational to the life you live. Next Tuesday, the waxing half moon in Pisces will be a powerful moment to put some fire behind the big plans we are making right now. And that's it for today's astrology. I hope you're all feeling very happy and well. And if you found this video illuminating, feel free to drop 3 construction worker emojis in the comments section for the industrious vibes we enjoy today. Until next time, friends, keep looking up.